Hello all, welcome back to our channel. Let's kickstart our day by making tasty Schezwan Dosa. Schezwan Dosa is a popular Indian street food dish which is a mouth-watering fusion of South Indian and Desi Chinese cuisine. Here we are preparing the Schezwan Dosa using Ching's secret Schezwan Chutney. Ching's Schezwan Chutney is widely available across retail outlets and e-commerce stores. Let's get started with the preparation. Pour dosa batter. Spread it thin. Add 2 tablespoons of Ching's secret Schezwan Chutney. Spread it uniformly. Add 1 teaspoon of oil. Roast in medium flame for 2 minutes. It turns golden in color. Now you can see the crispy Schezwan Dosa. Tasty, spicy and crispy Ching's secret Schezwan Dosa is ready to serve. Enjoy it. Also, there is a video on making restaurant style Paneer Chilli recipe using Ching's secret Paneer Chilli masala. Please check the link in the description below. Do subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for instant notifications. Also, like and share this video with your family and friends. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.